Today I'm making a hearty one-pot chicken, an Orzo dish that's packed with flavor. Start by heating about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a Dutch oven over medium heat. Now I'm going to add in 1 medium chopped onion, 2 chopped celery stalks, 2 cups of diced potatoes, that's about 300 grams, and I used white potatoes in this dish. Cook this for about 5 to 6 minutes, just until everything starts to soften. Now add in 1 pound, or about 450 grams, of bite-sized chicken breast pieces, seasoned with salt and pepper to taste. Cook until the chicken is lightly browned. It doesn't need to be fully cooked yet. Now I'm going to add 3 cloves of minced garlic, and I'm going to let that cook for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Stir in 1 can of diced tomatoes, that's 14 to 15 ounces, or about 400 grams, and let that cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm going to add in 1 chopped green bell pepper or poblano pepper, whichever one you like. Stir in 1 cup of dry orzo, about 200 grams, and we're going to pour in 3 cups of chicken broth, or about 720 milliliters. Now for the seasoning. 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 teaspoon paprika. Make sure everything is mostly submerged so it cooks evenly. At this point you've got 2 options. You can cover it and bake this in a 375 degree Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, or you can cover it and leave it on the stovetop and let it simmer between 12 to 15 minutes, and at this point you want to stir occasionally. Once it's done, give it a good stir. Now I'm going to add in 1/2 cup of olives, or about 75 grams, and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice to brighten everything up. Taste and adjust your seasoning if needed. Then I'm going to finish this with a little bit of a drizzle of olive oil. And that's it, an easy, comforting one-pot meal that's full of bold, fresh flavors. Good food made simple right at home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.